Hello everyone, my name is Abhipsha Parida. I am an occupational therapist specialized in the pediatric population, and I've been working with kids with special needs since the last 5 years. I have seen kids with autism spectrum disorders, kids with attention deficit hyperactivity disorders, ADHD, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, intellectual disabilities, and many more cases. So, what I have noticed is that in these kids there is a high rate of stress and anxiety. There can be many reasons for that, but we should know some self relaxation techniques that we can teach our kids so that whenever they feel highly stressed out or overwhelmed, they can use this technique on themselves. So in this video I am going to share with you some very easy, simple and very effective self relaxation techniques that you can teach your kids, that they can easily apply whenever they are feeling stressed out or overwhelmed. Okay, and I've also written an article on this topic where I have given a written description for each of the techniques that I will be talking about today. Okay, so do check out that article. I'll be giving a link in my description, and also at the end of the video I will be giving a link of that article. Do check out that article because I have mentioned some of the anxiety triggers that you should know, that what are the anxiety triggers for your child which is causing them this kind of stress and overwhelmment, and I've also mentioned some of the behaviors that they show when they are highly stressed out. Okay, so do check out that article. So to teach the kids about self relaxation techniques in situations like whenever they get overwhelmed or stressed, they can use any of these techniques. And before beginning, let me tell you that you need to practice these techniques with your kids to know which techniques work for your kids the best and which he can apply at any time, like which ones are his favorite. So you need to practice that beforehand to know which ones will be applicable to you for your kids. Okay, so let's begin. So this is my relaxation book. This is very simple to make. I'll be showing you how to make this in a short while. Okay, so I have written all the techniques. I have written 15 self relaxation techniques in this book in very simple language and using some pictures so that your kid can understand. Okay, so let's see what's in it. So the first technique is, look, squeeze and relax. Okay, so here's a smiley ball. You just need to squeeze and relax. Okay, let me show you how it's done. So here I have two smiley balls in my hand. So what I'll do is I'll just squeeze them and count 1, 2, 3 and relax. Okay, once again, squeeze and 1, 2, 3 and relax. Okay, this is the first technique. Then moving on to the next. The second technique is, look here. Make a monster face and relax. So how you will make a monster face? Just make your face very tight. Tighten all the facial muscles like this. 1, 2, 3 and relax. Okay, this is the monster face technique, the second technique. Now the third one. This is squeeze with your shoulders and relax. So how you do it? Once again, take the smiley ball and put it here and then squeeze with your shoulders. Squeeze, sorry, it's slipping out. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3 and relax. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3 and relax. Okay, so this is squeeze with the shoulders and relax, the third technique. Moving on to the next. The next technique is 5 deep breaths technique, the cupcake breathing technique. Okay, so this is for those who can imagine. You have to imagine that I have a cupcake in my hand. Okay, and it is smelling really good. I'm taking the smell in with 5 deep breaths. Okay, so just take the smell in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then blow out the candle on the top. So this is an amazing technique to relax you. Now the next one is go get a drink of water. Here's a glass of water. So go get a drink of water. This is pretty self-explanatory. Then moving on to the next is listening to slow music. Whenever you are like overstressed or feeling overwhelmed, If we listen to the slow music, then it calms down our brain. Okay, so now the next technique is simply close your eyes. Okay, this technique is close your eyes, and you can just close your eyes and count 1 to 5, like slowly in your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then open. This is a very simple technique, but it calms down your brain tremendously. You can just try it out. Okay, my most favorite technique. Okay, now moving on to the next. Count 1 to 10 or 10 to 1. So for those kids who can count 10 to 1, they should count 10 to 1, because it is it is not automatic or spontaneous. They have to think about it, about counting. So it helps to relax your mind. Okay, it helps your brain to pause and relax. Now the next technique is cloud push-ups. Okay, so what is a cloud push-up? Like you have to imagine that there is a big cloud. You are holding a big cloud, and clouds can be very heavy. Okay, clouds can be very heavy. You are holding a big cloud with both of your hands. So what you're going to do? You're going to you take a deep breath and push it up, and then slowly bring it down. So this is the cloud push-ups. Then the next technique is, you see, fingertips. Press on the fingertips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the next finger. Okay, I'll show you how you do it. Pressing on the fingertips. So suppose this is my left hand, this is my right hand. So use your right hand thumb and index finger to gently press your fingertip. Okay, then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then move on to the next finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. And then you repeat it with the other hand. Moving on to the next technique. This is write down. Okay, so simply ask your kids to write down what is bothering them. Okay, so when we write down what is bothering us, it helps us to take the heat off the chest and to relax our mind. It really relaxes our mind. I will add another point to this technique, is that after writing down what is bothering you, if you can write down, for those kids who can write down how they want to feel, ask them to add up this point. It is very helpful. Okay, so you can write, I want to feel relaxed, I want to feel comfortable, I want to feel ease, I want to feel joy. So you can write down anything how you want to feel, and this amazing technique, just apply it to yourself and see how it is works magically. Okay, so moving on to the next technique. This is the gloves technique. Okay, I'm going to show you how you are doing, how you'll do it. So in the gloves technique, you are going to imagine that you are wearing a gloves. Okay, so suppose I'll be wearing a gloves in this hand. So what I'll do, I'll pretend to wear a glove finger by finger. Okay, one by one. One, and apply a gentle pressure, little bit of pressure to each finger. Okay, 1 and 2, then 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so got my gloves on. Now I'll remove the gloves same way, one by one, finger by finger. Okay, so I'll start from here. Apply a little bit of pressure. Okay, so as if you're pulling the finger, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Now this was amazing. I am feeling more relaxed and calm down just now using this technique. It's a superb technique. Do try it out. Moving on to the next technique. After gloves, there is a strategy called the tree breathing. Okay, it's written tree breathing. So this diagram is not very proper, very artistic. Okay, I'll just show you how you do the tree breathing. So you have to join your hands in the namaste position. Okay, and you have to pretend that you are a tree and you are branching out. You are a huge tree. So just breathe in, lift Put your hands up, breathe in and spread out your arms. You are a big tree. Slowly breathe out and put your hands in. Okay, I'll show you again. Breathe in, breathe out. Next is the spider push-ups. Okay, here is spider push-ups. So how you're going to do that? Like make your hand like a spider. Okay, so you have to join the fingertips like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we are going to do a push and pull motion. Okay, push and relax like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so now the last technique is pretend washing hands. This technique is very useful because it gives a lot of sensory input to your hands and is also useful for calming down. Okay, so how you're gonna do it? Just pretend that you have gone to wash your hands. So open up the tap and put the soap. Okay, and then you are going to rub your hands. Okay, rub properly, and put some pressure and rub and the fingers and the thumb okay, rub and then you are going to wash it. Okay, the tap is open, so I'm going to wash my hands, and now it's over. So shake the water out. So these are the 15 self-relaxation techniques that I have shown in this video, and do try them out. They are very easy but very effective. Do try it out for yourself and see how much it relaxes you. And I will be telling you how I made about this my relaxation book. It is very easy. What I have done is I have just taken a A4 size paper. Okay, you can take any color, and you have to just fold it. Look. Fold it into 2 halves, and then one more. Okay, and okay, you can keep it this size, or I have made it a smaller size. Okay, so whichever is comfortable for your child to carry. And after that, all you have to do is cut off the sides. Okay, cut off the sides. You see, it is like this. So you have to cut off the sides, and make sure that you don't cut the whole thing off. Okay, keep a little bit space. You see here, I haven't cut this part. Okay, and this one again. Okay, keeping a little bit space here. And now it's ready. You see, it's ready, and you can also add some gum here. Okay, you can put some gum here. Okay, and this will be my relaxation book. Okay, with these pages. And along with this, I have also made a my relaxation sunflower. Okay, I have mentioned about this also in my article. You can refer there. So this is the my relaxation sunflower. This is nothing. This is very easy. I have simply drawn a sunflower and cut it off. Okay. And what's the advantage of this one is that it is very short, and you can write some of your favorite techniques or some of the techniques that work for your child in each of these petals. Look how I have written in each of these petals. I have written some of my favorite techniques. Like, see, write it down, take 5 deep breaths and blow out, close your eyes, count 1 to 5 and open. So and you can like fold it like this. Okay, fold it and fold it, so that this is very easy to carry for your child. And you can like let them practice, let them make a habit that if they are feeling overwhelmed or stressed out and they don't know what to do, they can take out their sunflower and they can just, you see, they can just take out one petal and read, okay, I have to count 1 to 10, and this will be a simple reminder for them how to relax themselves. These are very very effective techniques. Do try them out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be giving you some awesome techniques about different topics related to kids with autism, kids with attention deficit hyperactivity disorders, and much more in the upcoming videos. And I'll be giving you some very very useful, I'll be making videos on some very useful topics that will be really helpful to you. So keep watching and subscribe to my channel. And there is a link in the description box about that article, in which you can find about all of this in details. Okay, bye bye, take care.